In this session, let us learn about Python random module references. Python has a built-in module that you can use to make random numbers. The random modules has a set of methods. Seed method initialize the random number generator. GetState method returns the current internal state of the random number generator. SetState method it restores the internal state of the random module generator. GetTransBits method returns a number of representing the random bits. RandRange method returns a random number between the given range. RandInt method returns a random number between the given range. Choice method returns a random elements from the given sequences. Choices method returns a list with a random selections from the given sequences. Shuffle method takes a sequence and returns the sequence in a random order. Sample method returns a given sample of a sequence. Random method returns a random float number between 0 and 1. Uniform method returns a random float number between two given parameters. Triangular method returns a random float number between two given parameters. You can also set a mode parameter to specify the midpoint between the two other parameters. Bitvariate method returns a random float number between 0 and 1 based on the beta distribution used in statistics. Expo variable method returns a random float number based on the exponential distribution used in statistics. Gamma variable method returns a random float number based on the gamma distribution used in statistics. Gauss method returns a random float number based on the Gaussian distribution used in probability theories. Log norm variate returns a random float number based on a log normal distribution used in probability theories. Normal variate returns a random float number based on the normal distribution used in probability theories. Von Mises variate returns a random float number based on the von Mises distribution used in directional statistics. Pareto variate returns a random float number based on the Pareto distribution used in probability theories. Weibull variate returns a random float number based on the Weibull distribution used in statistics. Okay friends, this is the end of part 9 Python modules random module references. In next video, let us learn about another topic Python request module references. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.